Sound like some Cali shit. I'm about to spit like a dragon. Yeah, you know me, dragging bodies to the trash can. Still the same OG, and I still can. Freestyle in my Jordans, in my wardrobe, in my drawings. Getting bigger. Look at that, that's a big face. Like hundreds, like you know what you're talking about. A North Face. Shit. I had one, I had two, I had three. Bank robbery. I'm trying to steal jewelry with a hammer, straight from the toolbox. My marvelous six, smiling with a gold tooth. Yeah, and I made the news. Now I'm here to introduce myself to the world. The name's Fat Cat. I'm real religious. I'm real religion. My Jew pendant, Jesus. Please, Jesus, save us. We're in trouble again. It needs to rain for a rose to grow. Yeah, man, you already know. A rose growing through concrete. I used to serve snow. I might make a more vivid picture like Raphael, Ralph, like Wale, holla, tut. I'm in the building, around the corner with death. The motherfucking reaper, a motherfucking hustler, knocking on your door. Maybe I might get more in depth. Maybe I kick in the door with a 44, waving like a motherfucking pope. Who's this religious man in all black? A motherfucking raven. And I'm back to it. The motherfucking mafia with the motherfucking tool. Mr. Goody Two-Shoe. The George Jefferson of the ghetto. And by the week, I'm about to get rich. Mitch.